All right, Lucky Man by Emerson, Lake and Palmer. This is by request, so make sure you get your requests in the comments. We have a big list going, and I get to them as quick as I can. It's a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is going to be Lucky Man by Emerson, Lake and Palmer. We're going to start out with this riff. Okay, so we're in 6/4 time, so we have 6 beats for each measure. So it ends up being like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. So that's kind of crazy, I know. It's kind of 1, and then you don't play the 2, and this is all written out on the tab if you want to download that tab and take a look. So we got open G, that's the first beat. We wait the second beat. The third beat, we go G string to B string, kind of quick, like 1/8 notes there. So this is like 2 quarter notes, like 2 beats worth. 1, 2, and then we go 3 and 4 and. So that's the big string open to 2. So we have G, G, B, hammer, and then we wait till the 6th beat. So we actually don't play on the 5th beat. So we have 1, 3 and 4 and. The 5 is silent, and then we go 6th beat is the open. So we have. And that 4th fret is going to start a new chord and a new measure of 6. So once again we have. Now once we hit that one, that's going to be the first beat, and then we're going to go. So that's up that D chord with the F sharp bass type of thing. So you got to get the bar going over here. So we go all the way up that chord. We pull off that 3 to 2 on that first string there. So when we come down, we have this 3 to 2 on the first string. Come back to the 3 and the 2. And this time, instead of that 4, we're going to hit that open D. So we have. And then we go back to the beginning. Okay, so let's take that real slow. Try to play along. I'm going to say 4, 5, 6 to get us started because we're in the 6/4 time. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's basically your first thing, that's your intro, and that's your verse. So that happens 6 times in a row. So I'm going to play it kind of up to speed here. So we go. So you get the idea. So that's like 6 times in a row of that. Then we're going to have a new part. This is a change. This is like the chorus ends up being. So this is an A minor. You get your 2, 2, 1 open. We're going to have. Okay, so that's 1, and then we don't play on the 2. We play on the and of the 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. That's going to be our rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. So try that again. 4. I'll give you a 4, 5, 6 count. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. We'll try it twice in a row. 4, 5, 6, 1, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. That's what you're going to do for that strum on that chorus change for the A minor. They're going to do the exact same strum just to an E minor. So easy enough there. Let's try that. 4, 5, 6. Going to E minor. Okay, so let's do those one more time. 4, 5, 6. E minor. Okay, now we're going to D. 1, 2, and 3 on that D chord. So 1, 2, and 3. And they're going to go pinky down here in the suspended chord. So we have D and 3. So it's 1 and 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we do 2 on that regular D on the 5 and then the 6 is the open one. So we have. See that? So you kind of do it down up on that regular D chord. So dum da dum D dee dee dum dum da dum, dee 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 dum. Okay, so if we put that all together for that chorus, we have. Okay, then we're back to the verse. So I'm going to skip doing all those times. It's 4 times of that, and then we're back into the change we just did. We'll do this once more. And that goes a couple times. Okay, and then we're going to be into the solo section. This is going to go to a G chord. We're going to have 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6. So pretty easy on the G. 1, don't play the 2. Most of these things you don't play the 2 in this whole song. So it's like 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to go to a D. We're going to go 1 and 3. Now when we get to the 3 of that one, 1, 2, and 3. Put the pinky in, and then 4E, a 6. So that's a little tricky. 4E, a 6. 1, a 3, 4E, a 6. Okay, one more time. I'll give you the 4, 5, 6 count. 4, 5, 6. 1, a 3, 4, and a 6. And then it's back to the G. Okay, so 4 times through that, then we have. So this one is a little bit less busy. It's going to go 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the E minor. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this D is a little bit less strums as well. It's going to go 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we go 3, 2, and open on the bottom string there. 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6. And then the next one after that is going to be the one that goes. But it doesn't have a pinky this time, so it's a little bit different. So you can see these guys were a progressive band. The songs progress as they go. They're not always repeats. So this is another new part of the song, so we're going to review just a little bit. We're going to go back to that A minor where we had, and then E minor, and then D. We had the 3, 2 open. Now this next one, da-dum, da-dum. So that's a new one because it didn't have a pinky in it. It made it a little bit different than the previous one earlier in the song. So once again, those Ds were 3, 2, 0, da-dum, da-dum, and then we repeat that A minor thing. 3, 2, 0. And then you're back to the verse. And that goes 4 times. You're back into your chorus. The one that has a little bit more strumming of the and 3 and. And we go back to that dee dee dum dum da dum 3, 2, 2, 0. All right, and then we come to the next verse, which is over that solo section that started with G. So we have G. Okay, so it was 1, 2, and 3. You know, the 2 is silent again. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6 on the G. And the D was 1, 2, and 3. So on the 3, you hit that pinky, and then you go da-dum, da-dum. So that's 4 and 6, no 5. So da-dum, da-dum. So we get, then we're back to G. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 3, 4 and 6. Okay, and then we're back to the chorus. After a while of that, we have so at that point, we're back to the chorus, and it's going to do a little bit of chorus, and it's going to go into a Moog solo, one of those synth solos. So let's do that chorus a little bit more. Okay, and that repeats at the end there for that solo. So the very end is going to be kind of let that chord hang, and the synthesizer solo keeps going, the Moog solo. Let's go over all of our parts just a little bit more. Okay, and then our chorus. And I'm doing those quick downs just to make that, so you can make sure you hear that little note going 2, 2, 0. Okay, and then we just go back through those same parts again. We got the solo part that was G, to D, sus, da-dum, da-dum. That's that part. And then we have another part where it's like the chorus, but it has a little bit less strums. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, instead of 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6. So it's just a little more chill later on in the song. So that's the first one there, goes 3, 2, 0. And then it goes da-dum, da-dum. So let's do that new part one more time. Okay, and then it's the same old parts until the very end. We have ding, dee, dee, dum. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 0 on that bottom string. Okay, Lucky Man by request. Hope you all dug that. I got a good tab for this. It's got all the little rhythms written out and everything, so you can count it out. Take your time and count it out. If you haven't done a lot of counting, it can be fun, and it sure will help more than just having a tab and not really knowing how to stick the rhythm of that thing. So thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll see you soon.